Quick, design a book. Easy, right? Just tons of material, a gajillion decisions, high stakes, deadlines, printing costs. Easy, what could go wrong? Whether you're designing a book for a client or you're just creating a book for yourself that turns into a beautiful keepsake, I'm here to take you through the daunting bramble of decisions and help you tame them into a clear and understandable path that just lets you take it one step at a time so that by the end you'll have a beautiful book. I'm Stefan Bucher. I'm a book designer. I've been designing books for over 20 years for clients such as Saks Fifth Avenue, Chronicle Books, David Hockney, Philip Glass, Tarsem Singh. I've also published 7 books of my own. In this class, I'll take you through the entire book design process, from first gathering and shaping the content, to doing the layouts, figuring out the specifications of your book, going through the prepress project, all the way through printing and bindery, to the point where you hold the finished book in your hands. In fact, the only thing that I won't teach you is software, because it's a tool, and the tools change. And to me, that's the least interesting part of what's an otherwise really fascinating journey. The project for this class is to make a book about a person or an event that's important to you. And we'll go through the process together to break down a complex challenge into manageable steps. This class is for anyone who wants to make a book, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional who's just getting into book design for the first time. Either way, what you learn in this class will work for book projects, but it'll really also teach you how to run any larger design job. My goal is to help you avoid some of the potholes and trapdoors that I've encountered so that you can make new and interesting mistakes that we can all learn from. These are complex projects and there's always so much to cover, and I've tried to cram as much into this class as I possibly could. If there's something that interests you or that you're curious about, please ask and I will answer to the very best of my ability. And I am so eager to have these conversations, so you'll be doing me a favor too. I thank you so much for going on this journey with me and for investing your care in this process and for caring about books. So here we go.